Let's start with Perplexity. Perplexity AI is a powerful large language model which understands questions and gives clear answers instantly. And it is a smart search and learning tool that gives clear answers fast. And also it helps users to find accurate information without wasting time. So Perplexity AI, with the help of a deep research, it finds accurate information without wasting time. Even you can use it to study, research, and understand any topic easily. So here I'm using Perplexity Pro with my Airtel SIM. If you also use Airtel, just open the Airtel app and activate Perplexity Pro for free. So here I'm using with the help of Airtel SIM. So here I am not using any subscription. So even one more thing is I won't go deep into the basic options. You can explore those on your own. Instead, I will take you straight into practical hands-on work with Perplexity. So you can see its a real power in action. That helps you to understand better how to work with large language models. So which feature is good for which large language model? Let's find the best feature of Perplexity AI. Before starting, let's create a space for this project. Give a name like Perplexity demo and give a prompt. So here I'm using, see here few options like labs, deep research and research. So now I'm using a deep research. So without typing, I'm using dictation mic to write the prompt. Search the web right now and show me the top 5 trending memes today with links to the original sources. Here I am asking deep research and generate 5 trending memes today with a link to the original. So here just forgot about the spellings and pronunciations. Even you can use any language to work with large language models. It's automatically they can understand and it generates the right answers. Just click enter. So simply it's generated with a deep research. Here the top 5 trending memes today with date. Right? The first one is Stranger Things Seasons 5 memes. The second one is Nothing Beats a Jet 2 Holiday meme. And the third one is a Prince George Wimbledon meme. And the fourth one is monkeys with philosophical captions. And also the fifth one is smiling sunflower meme. So here simply generated the top 5 memes on the web. And also it is saying I was not able to locate direct links to specific original sources of individual memes as most trending memes spread across multiple platforms simultaneously without single originating sources. Here it is also saying TikTok trending section, Instagram Reels, Reddit memes, subreddit. So these are the top 5 trending memes today. Even if you want to ask, you can ask generate with the platform of the trending meme. So even if you want to know about the platform, which platform it is trending on. So it's generated a table with the platforms. This is the first meme with a TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. The second one is a TikTok, Instagram, Reels. The third one is a TikTok, Instagram. The fourth one is a TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit. The fifth one is Twitter, X, Instagram, Reddit. So if according to your requirement, you can extend the prompt. So that will generate according to your requirement. So it's deeply research on web and generating through the data. Same go for the next prompt, how to work with Perplexity AI. just giving a next prompt. Check whether humans can really use only 10% of their brain. Verify with trusted scientific sources. Enter. So this is another simple question asking to go deep research and generate the right answer. Here it is a true or false question. Check whether humans can really use only 10% of their brain. So it is generating the answer. See, it is simply saying completely false. The 10% brain myth is completely false information. The claim that humans use only 10% of their brains is definitively debunked by modern neuroscience. In reality, humans use virtually all of their brain. So you can find the right answers myth questions by using Perplexity AI. Same like you can go with a new question, something like this. Compare the current price, features, and student discounts of three budget laptops from live web results. Create a simple table. Enter. So here I am asking real life helpful needed information question. If I want to buy a computer or laptop, before that I'm using Perplexity AI to know the best results, best performing laptops in best price. So simply it is generating a table with the prices, features, and model. So by using this table, I will take the suggestion before going to buy a laptop. With all this data, with the knowledge of my personal information, I will choose any one of these. See here, it is the data. Like the first one is Samsung Galaxy Book 4. Second one is Lenovo. Third one is HP. The price is like near to 40,000, near to 36,000, near to 43,000. So this is i3. This is AMD Ryzen 5. This is Intel Core i3. 512 GB all SSD. Student discount up to 10% plus up to 12,000 bank. Up to 10%, up to 7.5 instant bank discount, and total effective price is approximately this one, approximately this. So with the Perplexity AI, simply I solve my problem, which laptop is good for me with good prices. Even if you have any doubts on this, you can check with other large language models as well. When you use a multiple large language models for a same query, that helps you to generate perfect answer. With the use of multiple large language models can generate accurate results. Check one more question with Perplexity AI, like find the most streamed songs this week on Spotify and YouTube. Summarize the reasons for their popularity and include situations. Enter. So keep remember this data generated by web research, digital research. Perplexity AI deep research on a web information and generates the results. So here it is the most streamed songs this week, Spotify and YouTube. The first one is Die with a Smile. The second one is APT, Rose and Bruno Mars. So third, fourth. So by using the deep research, it's generating the best performing songs in Spotify and YouTube. So it's a very minute thing, but it's generating with clear data. If you want to know which is the most popular song this week on YouTube, you can find easily. Even you can find which AI tool is the best performing AI tool in this week on YouTube or any other platform. So same like the questions, you can check with Perplexity AI that generates good results, real results. Even you can check one more prompt, something like this on travel. Plan a 2-day student friendly budget trip on Goa using a real travel and food prices from trusted sources. So this is completely related to travel. Even it is a student or family. So you can ask anything according to your requirement. This helps you to make a plan before traveling to anywhere. Here I'm using Goa. You can check with Singapore, US, Russia, wherever you want on the globe. That will generate the real-time data by using deep research on web. It helps you to make a plan before traveling to anywhere on this world. So simply it is generating the real-time data that helps you to plan before traveling anywhere. So when you are following these large language model, you can cross check with multiple large language models that helps you to get accurate results. Today, student friendly but get trip to Goa. This is total budget 6,500 per person, approximately $78 USD. Here it is the plan. Day one, day two. So here it is generating a complete plan on 2 days traveling to Goa. Not only this, even you can check the right stocks which is good to buy. For example, here I am asking on Indian stocks, deep research on Indian stocks and generate a report on top 10 best performing stocks in India. Enter. Just I am asking to list out the top 10 best performing pharma stocks in India. Here, the Perplexity AI listed the top 10 best performing stocks in. So, if you want to ask, you can ask the specific requirement as well. So, it's listed top 10 best stocks like Eternal Limited, Bajaj Finance, HR Motors, Maruti Suzuki, SBI Life, Insurance, Bharat Electronics. So, same like you can ask anything to Perplexity AI that will generate and suggest you which is the best one. Same like I want to ask one more question. I have 1 lakh rupees to invest on Indian stock market. I have two options like Reliance and Adani. Which is the best stock to invest my 1 lakh rupee for next 20 years? Deep research and generate one stock among these two options. Enter. So it's generated investment metrics comparison reports on Reliance and Adani. So based on you can invest on any one of these. But still I have confusion. I don't want these all information. Just I need final best stock among these two. Just again you can ask same questions to Perplexity AI. I don't want unnecessary information. Just list out the best stock among these two to invest for my next 20 years. So it is saying Reliance Industry is the best stock to invest 1 lakh rupee for a next 20 years. Here I am discussing about these stocks for just examples. This is only for education purpose. Just with the examples I am using these stocks. So even if you want to know more about the stocks or financial help, go with finance option here. You can learn many things in this option with the help of Perplexity AI. Before investing, you can check with the multiple large language models and use your own information. So by using Perplexity AI, with the help of deep research, you can generate accurate results. Finally, the Perplexity is more than a normal AI. It blends a real-time search, real-time web search. It gives accurate, trusted answers with clear sources. With Perplexity, you can explore research and understand any topic with confidence. Perplexity works based on deep web research and generates accurate results. So this is only for educational purpose. I'm not promoting anything and this is not investment advice.